Bonafide Hustler here, and today I'm going to do a really quick hot shot. I wonder what we're going to find. I want to bring you guys with me. Let's go. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of super tiny escape pod. We're gonna go thrifting real quick. I mean, maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours today. I gotta get this red board sold, and I have an interested buyer in picking it up for $40 more than what I paid for it 2 years ago, and I used it for 2 years. That's a good hustle. Okay, so one other thing before we start the video, before we get to the thrift stores, is that I will be at this coffee shop this Sunday morning. Go check it out, Charlotte, North Carolina. Meet and greet, nothing crazy, but yeah, come say hi. I would love to meet you guys. It would be super rad. I'll be at that coffee shop from 8 to 10 in the morning. Show up and support your boy. All right, so let's get down to the center part of town and let's see what we find at those Goodwills down there. One other thing, my Cheddar report number 5 is coming out to anybody that's on my email list effective Thursday morning. Right, so this Thursday morning, if you're on my email list, Cheddar report number 5 is coming out, and gets sent out to all the people on my list. Cheddar reports have really cool information about recent flips that I've done, something I want to highlight, really cool, interesting things that occur on the channel, where I'm going to be for the next meetup, some healthy habits stuff, which is pretty cool as well. It's a little tiny report that I make for all the people on my email list, so go check it out. If you get the free guide, which is right here, it puts you on the email list. You can get on the free guide and on the email list at bonafidehustler.com. Once you get the free guide, and if you have the free guide, you're on my email list automatically. All right, I'm here at the back of the Goodwill boutique. I'm gonna see if I can find anything in there. I'm curious to see. I gotta sell this board. I'm curious to see what I'll find. I gotta sell this board in like 20 minutes at a bike store that's like down the road. Yeah, we recently sold our boat and made money on it. That was pretty crazy. We made a pretty good amount, so it mitigated all those years, you know, of like all the use, but it was a lot of fun, and we gotta sell some of the things that are associated with that boat still. So the wake surfboard, yes, has to go. And yeah, that's gonna happen in 20 minutes. Deep in the heart of downtown Austin. Traffic, lunch hour, but I'm going thrifting. That's so much better than all that BS, man. I already see something that I am interested in, this helmet. I wonder if it's any good. Quick pass, I didn't find anything in there. There was a Wii U marked at 80 bucks, which I was considering buying because I would have got out of the door like paying 75, but the little black tablet thing that comes with the Wii U wasn't in the box, so passed on that. But I'm gonna get this board sold real quick, and then we'll be off to another Goodwill. All right, cash money in my hand right there. I'm heading to the bike store for 1 second. I gotta look at the bikes, but I gotta put my camera in the car. Oh. Next Goodwill is Lake Austin Goodwill. I've seen it a bunch of times on my vlogs, so we'll see if I find anything here. I mean, it is a Monday, so we'll see what happens. I mean, what does a weekend do to these stores? I mean, the last one had nothing in it, but maybe this one does. I'm curious. It's got a cart in the front for me. This is interesting. This is one of those Timberland Wood Company boots. This is probably a buy right here. Not too bad. Actually my size too. Even better. So basically that style, here's one right here. They're a size 8, sold for $130. There's that style again, 100 bucks right there. And this is a size 12, which is a really good size. So MSRP is around $250, $299-ish. It's called the Wodehouse Chukka boot. Definitely a buy. The little athletic short section is one of my favorite sections to hustle, and specifically for mountain biking shorts. They pay really well locally here in Austin. And sometimes you can find them just chilling in here for like basically nothing. So I look for that, and Lululemon, things like that. And Gore-Tex, Basque. Trail hikers right here. Cascade R helmets, $7. Probably a buy as well. It's pretty nice. Walked out paying around $13 for these Timberland Boot Company. You can kind of see it right there. Timberland Boot Company Chukkas. Should sell for around $90 to $110. And this Cascade R lacrosse helmet, $7. And this should resell for around 65 to around $100. That's the spread on that one. Really good deals. 2 more Goodwills to go to. Let's go. Also, if you're enjoying this video, and this car is super hot, but if you're enjoying this video, make sure you hit the like button. Because if you don't, then Bonafide's gonna melt. All right, next Goodwill's right there. Let's see if we can find anything. It's hot outside, man. Hadouken! I feel like there'll be some serious gems at this Goodwill. I'm gonna give it my best shot. I'm Pat Benatar this thing. Looking for some bags to bucks. I don't see any. What's this? Sweet, there's a router here. Let's see how much it goes on Amazon. It is $6 here. $34.75 PC. I can sell it in new condition, a $25 check. I'm gonna pick this up. And it has a Walmart $15 tag on it. I'll buy it. Free $20. Sign me up. Shoe section looking pretty dry. Interesting boots up here, but they're more military styled. Yeah, this is house. Some Ons right here. This is interesting. Not too bad. Little cloud surfers. Walked out buying those shoes and that router. Those shoes should sell for around 65 to 85. They were $8 actually out the door. And then the router was like $6 out the door. Should sell for, well, the check will be about 26 when it's cut out. So $20 on that. You know, probably clear a pretty good $50 pre-profit on that guy. I'm a happy Bonafide. One more thrift store and then it's to the home. Nope. I smell the cheddar yet. Nope, not yet. Completely blown out CrossFit shoes. Wow, those are well used. Old school Barnum and Bailey sword. It's pretty cool. Walt Disney one too. It's pretty neat. All right, so I didn't find anything in that store. It's okay. I think I found a pretty good amount. I think I found a pretty good amount in about an hour and 45 minutes. That's not too bad. Considering I had to be downtown just to sell that board anyway. Not too bad. If you enjoy hot shots like this, you know, leave a like and put a comment down below. I love reading comments, and I would love to see any of you guys and gals out there in Charlotte Sunday. That's like 6 days from the time that this video airs. 6 days. Like this Sunday, I'll be there 8 to 10 at that coffee shop. Come say hi. Bring some cheddar finds to show me. It's all good. I would love to meet you guys. So catch you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.